Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause your location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Stick around until the end to learn all the tips and tricks to manage your location sharing while keeping things discreet. Let's get started. The first and simplest method is enabling low data mode on your iPhone or Android. This option limits background app refresh, which means Life360 would not update your location as frequently. Using low data mode is a subtle way to prevent location updates without showing the location paused status in Live 360. Another option is turning off Wi Fi on your device. Turning off Wi Fi may slow down location updates, but it could lead to Live 360 showing a paused status. That is why low data mode is usually preferable. And if you're looking for a more advanced method, you could use a location spoofer. This tool allows you to fake your location on Live 360. However, using a spoofer might require jailbreaking your iPhone or enabling developer mode on Android. And once you have done that, you can download a trusted location spoofing app from the App Store and set it to display any location you choose. Remember, whatever method you choose, use these responsibly. The goal is to manage your location tracking, not to cause unnecessary worry or concern for anyone monitoring you. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.